It's an equation that has so far demonstrated famous with vehicles like the Mini Electric and Honda EV, while the new Fiat 500e looks to capitalize on a similar recipe. Electric vehicles are extraordinary for the city, where their short reach isn't such an issue, and they're absolved from paying the discharges charges petrols and diesels are dependent upon. More subtleties on the 2024 Renault 5 were uncovered at the company's Electropop online occasion, where it was affirmed the EV city vehicle is reserved to go marked down in 2024, with a sticker price of £18,500 or a third short of what you'll presently pay for the company's So City vehicle. In what manner capacity modest? All things considered, the Renault 5 CMF-BEV stage has a compatible battery module that can support an assortment of vehicles. It has a right-size 100 kilowatts powertrain and offers all its non-EV leaves behind customary models from the reach. The 5's batteries, in the interim, will be produced using nickel, manganese and cobalt, which will assist with diminishing battery costs by 60%, while further developing reach by 20% versus different arrangements. The Renault 5 will simply be one of 10 electric models set to go discounted by 2020, with the Renault 4 Ever, a retro extraordinary return to the Renault 4 additionally coming. It will join models like the electric Megane and EV variant of Renault's family hatchback, and the Alpine Dream carport. High being Renault's energetic identification accused of supplanting Renault Sport, it's set to dispatch 3 EVs, a Renault 5 measured hot bring forth, a Volkswagen T-Roc estimated lively hybrid and another games vehicle. Renault is keeping stum on when the new Renault 5 will go at a bargain, saying just that it'll be one of 7 EVs that it'll dispatch by 2025. As a general rule, however, you can hope to see this vehicle come sooner than that. The high-level nature of the model recommends another Renault 5 has been made arrangements for some time, while the organization's full little EV, the as of late invigorated So, gives a stove-prepared electric drivetrain that should space impeccably into the 5's body. Thus, you can hope to see the new Renault 5 delivered in 2024.